Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your love bite now. Let's see what's going on in your love life now, Aries. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Aries gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So Aries, as usual, we start with a angel blessing card, and let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading, and then we'll take it on from there. So my angels blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Aries, please. Blessing, guidance, blessing, guidance, advice, or a blessing. Okay. Play music, Aries. It's time to have some fun, I think. Let's put this card here. And yes, music could be very important for your love life as well. Maybe your person is trying to send you telepathic messages. So listen to the lyrics of the songs. If you have a repeating song, or the way I do it is normally if I have a question in my mind, I normally randomly play some music, and I put my intention out there that in the first 3 songs my answer should come to me. So try it. It really works for me. It could work for you as well, right? Yes, look at this. Triumphant and play music. So good times are on their way, it seems, for you. So let's see whether this is just for you, or is it going to be for your love life as well. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your lovely comments, likes, shares, the love you send to the channel. And oh my God, see what's popped out. The Hierophant. Don't tell me this commitment coming, Aries, after you've been troubling me for so many months with no love and new love and old love. Okay, let's put this here aside as well, Aries. Let's see why these cards are here. This is going to be exciting, it seems. So if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in, Aries. So let's begin. A simple 9-card spread. This is just a quick love bite for you, Aries. Your longer reads are coming, and some have been put up already. So if you have missed them, I'll put a link at the end of the video. And if you guys need a private reading, my email is in the description box below. The Empress in reverse. All right. So still sulking, Aries. I think you are still not kind of wanting to move ahead with anything or anyone yet. But then what is this commitment? Let's see. Let's open the cards. Queen of Cups, 8 of Cups, 5 of Wands, Ace of Wands, the Knight of Cups, the King of Swords, 10 of Wands, 3 of Wands, and the 3 of Cups. Aries, you've gone into total self-love mode. You've walked away from a conflict, but there is somebody here who has a lot of passion for you. Look at this offer coming towards you, and this is going to burden you. This is going to burden you because I think you still want to see what else is out there. You're not looking for a reconciliation with anybody who's kind of not been showing emotions to you, maybe from the past or whatever. You don't want anybody like that. You are very burdened with the thought, what do I want now? Do I want to see what else is out there, or do I want a reconciliation? And that is the reason, Aries, you are still in this mode of feeling stuck. Okay, so this could be energetic, could be actually somebody coming towards you. From what I saw, you are being proposed to in various ways for dates and stuff like that from suitors. But let's see. Let's take some dialogue message cards and see who wants to say what to my Aries now. Okay, one more. Oh, that's too many, Spirit. Let's just have one. One card for my Aries gang. Thank you. And let's take a few from here, since you all have commented that you love these messages. Okay, so these are really coming out quick today for you, Aries. Okay, so the first card I have here for you, Aries, it says, "You can't imagine how much I love you. You are the woman every man desires," or vice versa. "I know that I can count on you, and I will show you now that you can count on me too." Okay, so yes, somebody does want to be your person. It pisses me off how your karmic has photos of you all over social media trying to make out that you guys are happy. You and I both know this is complete bullshit. Okay? So this could be you, Aries, putting up pictures of having a good time, playing music, going out for parties, and your person is getting a little angry. Whoever this person is for you, who wants to bring you this love offer, is actually getting quite frustrated that, I know you're not happy without me, and stop trying to pretend that you are. Next card says, "It drives me crazy how you manage to read my mind and hijack my thoughts. How do you know everything? I can't hide anything from you." Because Aries, you guys are very intuitive now. You all are, I think, become the high priestess, the Queen of Cups. You've been doing a lot of self healing. "I will never forget the day that I met you, and I will always remember the day that I loved you, for they are one and the same." I don't know, Aries, is whether this is one person or more than one. Life seems so complicated for us. My mind often drifts off to thoughts about us escaping reality to somewhere really quiet where we can be alone. So these are some messages for you, Aries. I think I'm not even sure it's one person. You know why? Because I see a lot of people fighting for your attention now. I see people fighting for your attention. There is passion all around you. I have new offers. I have old people who are really pissed off right now. And you are kind of not paying attention to anyone, it seems. I think you're so overwhelmed with your own life, your own burdens, your own thing, money, finance, work. And you don't even know whether, right now you could be planning a trip maybe somewhere near the water maybe, and you are seeing what else is out there. Let me go out and check out new options. Do I really want a reconciliation, right? So let's clarify these cards and see why these cards are here. Queen of Cups spirit for Aries. Queen of Cups. Yes, you've pulled away from this person. This King of Swords who's coming out twice now. Somebody who was emotionally unavailable to you, or maybe who did not speak properly to you, or did not have the best communicative skills, for you. Maybe you were the only one who was pouring in all the love, Aries, and this person just took it, okay, and they thought it was probably their birthright. And yes, you've kind of pulled away from this person, from this King of Swords here, and you walked away from this drama. Eight of Cups spirit, Eight of Cups, Eight of Cups. Yes, here you are. You just dropped this person, Aries, like a hot brick. I don't want you no more. I'm not going back and forth. Boom, down, okay? And you walked away. So what's this Five of Wands now, spirit, for Aries? There is competition around you, Aries. People are watching you. You have choices now. You are at crossroads. You know that there are lots of people who are vying for your attention, but I don't think you're making any decision right now. Maybe you are being a little clever right now, watching and waiting to see who's going to be the next option. But I also see that other people could be, keeping an eye on you or trying to figure out what your next plan is, which I do see you. You have the world in your hands right now, Aries, planning out your next move. Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands. See how many people want to work with you. Okay? This is not one person who has the hots for you right now, Aries. This is Three of Pentacles. So maybe more than 2 or 3 people are vying for your attention. Look at this Knight of Cups bringing you a cup of love. Okay, so what's this Knight of Cups spirit? Who's this Knight of Cups? I think somebody has a kind of a fear of bringing you this love offer. They want to totally transform your relationship into commitment. The commitment card has come out twice here, Aries. See? So, this person who wants to bring you this love offer is trying to get over their fear. The devil in reverse. They're trying to get over maybe some past regrets, from past sorrow, or fear of facing you, Aries, and they want to totally transform this relationship by offering some kind of a commitment. So, King of Swords, Spirit, King of Swords. Whoever this person, King of Swords is, Spirit, Aries, for you, they are single. They want to fight for you once more. Okay, or they are seeing you as single and they are coming in to protect you, or they want to fight for you, and they are not happy with the fact that you are looking that glorious nowadays. 10 of Wands, 10 of Wands. You don't want to, you're putting a halt to this, Aries. Here you are saying, no, I'm not interested. I have too many things on my plate at the moment. I have many other suitors maybe, or I want to go and see what else is out there. I have my work, I have my children maybe, I have my home to look after. I have too many things to do right now. I'm not interested in anything right now. Or at least this person, because this person, the King of Swords in reverse, is coming out really strong, who has a lot of passion for you, wants to work with you, is wanting to offer you commitment, change this dynamic of this relationship, but is a bit fearful. They are not happy with the fact that you are single, and they want to, I think, come and protect you from maybe other people coming towards you. So, Three of Wands for Aries. Aries, you are the Empress now, right? You are the Empress now. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to put in any work right now. You can just sit back, lean back, and enjoy the show. There, you are kind of double-minded. Should I kind of just wait around? Should I, like just see what else is out there before I make up my mind here? Three of Cups, Spirit. Three of Cups in reverse. Yeah, because once you go back to the past, you'll have to make a decision here. Because somebody is wanting to come out and speak their truth. So you're wondering whether it's a good idea or not to even make this decision to go back and listen to this person, because that means, I think, Aries, you're being a little naughty here right now. You are not making any decision because heart of hearts, I think you're still keen to see if there is something better out there, right? So yes, anything else, Spirit, for Aries? Aries, somebody wants to take back control, take back charge, take back the reins of this relationship once again. Even though this is your card, I don't see it as that right now, because I think this is your person. They are desperately wanting a reconciliation here, but here you are, Aries, with your sword, not giving them the time of day. Okay, so whether you're doing this energetically or whether you're doing it in reality, I don't know, but this is the dynamic of your situation. You are chilling right now. You're playing music. You're saying, hey, listen, let me enjoy my life. I've now become the Empress, and maybe I can have better people, who I can kind of interact with. Why should I make a decision to go back to a person who's always been so emotionally distant and never kind of given me what I deserve, right? So yes, you are not ready to have any new beginning or agree to being their Empress at the moment. You just want to come out of this hermit mood now and get over your stagnant life, I think. Yeah. So that's all I have for you, Aries. Quick love bite. Of course, we'll do the love read. Well, I'll get into their emotions as well. So on Monday, we'll do that, okay? Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.